5. Good planning and hard work lead to prosperity, but hasty shortcuts lead to poverty. Proverbs 21 verse 5. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a natural makeup look. So this is like your everyday makeup slash glowy makeup slash bad. Like, some people wouldn't wear this every day, but I mean, if you're not going for anything dramatic, this is perfect for you. It's a glowy makeup, it's good for summertime. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. I've already moisturized my skin. I use the London Lab UK Glow Oil. London Lab is my brand and it's my skincare, my beauty brand, but I'm starting off with skincare because that's always the foundation. So yeah, I have this glow oil. It's releasing pretty soon, and yeah guys, if you want to be the first to know when it comes out, make sure you follow London Lab UK on Instagram. So enough of the self promo. Yeah, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to be using, we're trying to glow as much as possible here, but we're also trying to stay together. So I'm going to be using the Beauty Glow Mist. As you can see, I've almost run out, but it just looks like this, and I'm literally going to spray that all over my face. This, you can use it on its own to just go out just to refresh your skin, or you can use it as a primer, or you can use it as a setting spray. Primers can really change your makeup, and I'd advise everyone to use primers, especially if you have oily skin, and even if you have dry skin. Like, if you have dry skin, you want to use a hydrating primer. If you have oily skin, you want to use a mattifying primer, and I'm combination, so I can use literally anything. But yeah, so guys, make sure you're using a primer. A primer will ensure that your makeup lasts all day long. Yeah, the pink stuff is all the product. As you can see, it's empty, meaning I've used it so much. Guys, this primer is so good. But yeah, this is the Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer. And guys, when I tell you, it just makes your face so smooth and your makeup doesn't budge. And I apply that on my eyelids too, because sometimes my eyelids be looking oily for no reason, but okay. Okay, so moving on to brows. I've been loving natural brows. This brow product just makes the entire process much more easier. Like, before, I used to just fill in my eyebrows and then you know, try to fill them out, but this product just makes everything much more easier to do. So all I literally have to do is apply it like I'm applying brow gel. So to conceal my eyebrows, I'm using Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Like I said in my other video, I feel like this is the only concealer that, you know, makes sense for me when it comes to underneath my eyebrows. Like, it's the only one that really blends into my skin the way that I like, and blends into my foundation seamlessly. So hence why I'm using this concealer. Okay, so foundation, guys. I'm using the new Makeup Revolution foundation, and I used it yesterday. I used it yesterday for the first time, and it's very, very glow. The XXX collection. I'll put the entire name on the screen, but this is how it looks. Let me put a close up. I've always had a problem with Makeup Revolution's foundations. I just feel like they're off when it comes to like the deeper to medium skin tone range, and this is in FIXX 14.7, and I feel like it's a pretty good match. I feel like most of their deep shades are on the orange side. I don't know if it's only me, but it just seems on the orange side. I wish I had loads of foundations that I could swatch. It's very, very dewy, it's very, very glowy, it looks like my skin. and that's what I tend to look for in foundations right now. I don't want anything that's going to cake up my face. So turns out I had the wrong foundation out. This is the foundation I'm supposed to be using. This is the other foundation. Okay, they're both said to be 14.7, but I feel like this is way orange compared to this side, and I'm just going to show you guys right now. So I was thinking this is hella orange. So this is the black one that is said to be 14.7, and I'm going to show you guys the glowy. It's just not the same shade. I don't know what they did. I mean, it's similar, but in terms of like the warmth, I can't even see, guys. This is slightly darker and slightly in this shade. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe the camera's not picking it up, but this is slightly darker than this shade. That's just one thing that I picked up, but I will be using this shade. And on camera it looks hella orange. It looks hella orange, but hopefully like it comes together. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Benefit Boing Concealer. And guys, this concealer, it's spectacular. This concealer is breathtaking. This concealer will have your makeup looking flawless. This concealer will make your under eye look like you have a filter on. This concealer is absolutely something. They were in the lab. Look at it. Firstly, the packaging is already cute as F. This is the cakeless concealer, and it is indeed cakeless because I don't feel like I have much under my eye, even though it's a high coverage concealer. Does dry down, so you will need to work a little bit fast, but not like to the point where you need to be rushing. But I wouldn't do the thing where you let it sit. You know, some people let their concealer sit. I wouldn't do it with this because it would just be too hard to blend. So, and most people do that so they can get the most coverage out of that, but I'm telling you, you won't need it with this concealer. This concealer is absolutely spectacular. You can see the tiny amounts that I applied around my mouth, and look how much it's brightened my mouth. Look how much it's covered that area. And because this concealer, because my foundation is slightly darker than my actual skin tone, I go in with a light concealer so it evens everything out. Usually in the summertime I wouldn't contour because I just feel like it's just too much product on my face, but if you have a very lightweight concealer, because cream contouring does make all the difference. If you have a very lightweight concealer, you will see the difference. And I'm telling you guys, this, I'm going to be using the Life Proof, Sleek Life Proof espresso shots, and this concealer blends out like butter. This concealer is extremely lightweight. You won't feel as if you've got anything on your face. It won't seem as if you've got anything on your face. I take a dense contoured brush or angled foundation brush, and this is by Marina Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend that out. Some banana deep setting powder to set where I've highlighted, and I'm not going to be baking at all. I'm just going to be pressing everything in. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze slash contour, and I'm using the Revolution Sculpting Bronzer in the shade Enrobe, and it looks like this. It's very warm, very deep. I'm literally gonna set the contour by patting in. So I'm gonna pat in the powder, and then I'm gonna go in circular motions upwards. So this is the bronze side, and this is the side that's not. And then for blush, it's called the Blush by Free palette, and I'm using the shade Demarara. Then to set my face, the rest of my face, I'm using the MAC Mineral Skin Finish in dark. Then I'm going to set my face using the Face FIXX by Makeup Revolution, and it's also from the XX collection, and it's a rejuvenating fixing mist for natural radiant skin. It smells absolutely divine. It has coconut extract and it's a very strong smell, and but if you don't like the smell of coconuts, then if you don't like the smell of avocado and coconut, then I'm sorry, but this is what it smells like. And then to set, because your under eyes don't really get any love from the setting powder, I spray my sponge. I said setting powder, I mean setting spray. I spray my sponge, let it dry down a tiny little bit, and then I go underneath my eyes. So to highlight my face, okay, I'm gonna be using my elixir. You guys already know how I feel about this elixir. This is the Sleep Makeup highlighting elixir, and it's in the shade Sun Lit. It looks like this, and it's literally lit. It's actually lit. So everything about this elixir is amazing. The consistency is amazing, the color is amazing, the shine is amazing. It's not overwhelming, it's just right. It sinks into your skin effortlessly. I'm telling you guys, you just see what's gonna happen. What I do, and some people are scared of using like liquid. I used to be like that. I used to be scared of using like liquid on top of powders and stuff, but that's what's just gonna take it to the next level. Like, if you don't want to excel, if you don't want to come out of your comfort zone, you won't really see what you can potentially do and the damage that you could actually do. But I'm telling you for a fact that this, I'm done talking. I'm done talking. You're gonna see. Take the elixir on the back of my hand. The only thing I don't like is the dropper. The dropper is a bit crap, so yeah. So I'm gonna take on the back of my hand. Sorry, I've got so much on the back of my hand. But the elixir is right here. This is the Sigma FO5, FO3 high cheekbone highlighter brush. This brush is absolutely spectacular. This brush is amazing. So you want to start with the highest point. I don't know if you can see that. Then I kind of spread it out, you can see it, and then I blend it into my skin in dabbing motions. And what I kind of do is I kind of bring it to the front so you can see the glow, you know, like as I'm talking to you, you can see the glow. So as you can see, this is the side that has the elixir. Guys, this is the side without elixir. So this entire side has elixir on it and this side doesn't. With the loose highlighter, I'm literally taking the smallest amount. With this elixir, anything you apply on top will stick to it, like stick to it, which is why I use it underneath my makeup a lot. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go on top with the loose highlighter, and this is just gonna make it pop even more. This glow might be a bit too much for some people, but I'm like, this glow looks very like, it makes your makeup look dewy. And then now I'm gonna just go in and just pretty much blend in the pattern motion. To seal all of that, I'm gonna use the Morphe setting. So now that my face is done, my face is literally done, guys. You can go in and add the finishing touches that you want to add. I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner, and yeah. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. All I did was literally apply some eyeliner, add my lashes, and yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It came out exactly how I wanted it to, so hopefully you can recreate this look. And if you do, make sure you tag me or even send me a video on Instagram or send me a story. And yeah, guys, this is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Make sure you press the bell next to the subscription button, because that way you'll be able to get a notification whenever I make a new video. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Have a great day, have a great evening, have a great morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world. And yep, stay safe, stay blessed, stay prayed out.